देखो, today we will talk about movement along a demand curve and shift in the demand curve. Shift कैसे होता है? We know the demand schedule shows the relationship between the price and its demand. तो अरे सुन, प्राइस और डिमांड का रिलेशनशिप बताते हैं तो डिमांड, लॉ ऑफ डिमांड. The more the price, the less the demand. The more the demand, the less the price. However, we also know that demand also depends not only on the price of this commodity, but also on a host of other factors. Now, जब हम लोग demand schedule draw करते हैं, we assume that these factors are constant. बाकी जो भी factors हैं हम लोग क्या लेते हैं कि they are constant. That is, we always say at ceteris paribus, means all other factors remaining constant. Now, if these factors change, what will happen? Of course, it will have some effect on the demand curve. Now, the level of the given price, demand for a commodity will change. So, that is called the change in demand. So, in change in demand, we relax the ceteris paribus assumption. Means, when there will be a change of demand, when there will not be a change in its own price, but all the other host factors like price of other commodities, fashion, government, technological changes, ये सब में जब तुम सुनो, माथा use करो. When these things change, then it is called change in demand. But when the price changes of that commodity and according to that the demand changes, that is called change in quantity demanded. This is the difference between change in quantity demanded and change in demand. Change in demand is due to other factors and change in quantity demanded is due to the price of that commodity. Understood? So, in change in demand, the ceteris paribus condition is relaxed. Okay? If there is an increase in demand, the demand curve shifts to the, जो the increase होए demand day, then we know that you can show this. The demand curve will shift to the right. Okay? So, this is, you can show this? I want to show them. नीचे करके दिखाना पड़ेगा. वो लोग ऐसे करके दिखाते हैं ना. अच्छा, so suppose my DO is my original demand. When the quantity demanded, the price was P0 and the quantity was Q0. Now the demand rises. There's an increase in demand due to other factors. What happens to this? Arey, you bring this closer. So the demand curve shifts to D1 instead of D0. So there is a change in the quantity demanded from Q0 to Q1. See? So the price has remained constant. Due to other factors, the demand has changed and that is called from Q0 to Q1, the quantity has changed. So this is known as change in demand, not change in quantity demanded. Okay? So this was, you come here, show here, D0, and due to change in demand, but the price remains the same, P0, but pehle the quantity was Q0, now the quantity becomes Q1. Understood? This happens. Now keep it there. And if there is a decrease in demand, there will be a leftward shift in the demand curve. So this is known as change in demand. So why does change in demand happen? Just now I told you. Why does it happen?
Because of the change in...
Because of all the other factors other than price. I told you तो. क्या सुन रहे हो तुम? अगर प्राइस में खाली चेंज हुआ तो वो सेम डिमांड कर्व में ही वो चेंज होगा. और अगर ड्यू टू अदर फैक्टर्स, आई टोल्ड यू तो, द ceteris paribus कंडीशन इज रिलैक्स. मतलब ceteris paribus और नहीं है. मतलब पहले ये क्लोज करो.